I am Ediabali today. Ediabali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abang. He's from Obom in Abang.
Yes, so. Fracas more fire. We4We MEDIA. We up in here, back up in here. Make una just nah. This live get us bio. Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo. Yarode. Ndo Yoshi, how many times did I call you? Oh boy, we're gonna just watch this video. This man from nowhere before, the man denied saying no be Igbo from Oshawu only Igbo. Igbo only Igbo, Gina Esoku. You know, if I hate it and Igbo, I hold you Sunday in the Nigerian government. I be a man attack. I just Sunday Bubago. I be a Bunde ESN. I be a Bunde man at village design in every Monday, every sit at home Monday. All brandish is a weapon. Yaji Chebea. Oje Jabia Ebundibo. It's crazy. And then during the elections, you know how many Magapito be. Yeah, but happy to be Tinubu Kayama because Tinubu my hojeng Tinubu have pray Legawania. Some people have actually show Makano or when you're Muslim, Tinubu Muslim too, but Mama, you know. But they didn't see it that way, but he said that P2B is the worst politician ever in Nigeria and all that stuff. Then yeah, Biakwa Mokurusha Namdekana Honga Morre, and who's on digital Namdekana Honga Wajio. Mecha Chandibo, his ancestors and Waho slave dealers that they were selling Igbos as slaves back in the day. Therefore, that no Igbo man was equal to, you know, to his status or stature. That you couldn't even step in his shoes. This man just hating the Igbo bad. But anyway, now we're going down the talk I'm now saying get Igbo blood, him be Igbo man fully. You know, even he's upset at the people where they deny their Igbo-ness in Calabari. That's the Jaw community. So make we just see this thing now. And I saw life bio. Some people say because the man they talk like this because Tinubu don't discharge him. Tinubu know they send him away again. Make we see whether or not the thing will happen or something else. I
am Ediabali today. Ediabali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abang. He's from Obom in Abang. From there, his family went to Bosi in Anambra State before they came to New Calabar. He's an Igbo man. I am Ediabali. So when somebody say Igbo, no, I am. Yes, the name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first working houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Ediabali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also is Briggs. So also is Oswald. Young Briggs, Oswald, Ediabali, my father Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma, Elebike, Elebuke, Odikadibia, David Wells, Elebuke Wells. These are all Igbos. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. These people are Igbos. They're Igbos. So slave trade brought enormous wealth. And it also brought some sort of destabilization it destabilized the society because some people brought with them so many things. The population of the Ijaw people in Calabar and in Bonny was overwhelmed by inflow of Igbo and Ibibio influence. But more of Igbo. Why Calabar was able to totally assimilate all others who came in contact with them, Bonny was not able to do so. Okrika was not able to do so. That's why you go to Ganama or Akaliama, these places, they are speaking Igbos. But in Calabar, no Calabar community speaks Igbo. In fact, even people they brought from Igbo yesterday, after today, they find it difficult to speak Igbo. So, like I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history. True. And leave this falsehood. Tell our history. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We should not be ashamed of who we are. It's not because somebody is making claim, we are going to deny because a man is making claim. Whether Igbo people make claim or not, that's their bloody business. That will not stop us from saying that this is what we are, who we are. And we stand up to who we are. We keep record of who we are. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. Today everybody is fabricating. Everybody is doing this. Why the fabrication?
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema.